Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets, give you areas that Vechain needs to continue holding, and also discuss my next trade setup here on the Vechain chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening since the 10th of June, when we saw this massive crash giving us a new bear market low at around the $0.01316 mark. And afterwards we started gearing up, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we first peaked in the formation of this wave 1, so a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2, then a wave 3, a wave 4, and then the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.02131 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that wave 1, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And that is a target area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. And you can see that we didn't fully maximize our target area, though we saw a very nice reaction to the upper side in what I've been terming as the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3, I have also been expecting to see a micro Elliot wave count play out within the formation of that wave 3, where on the charts you can see that I'm terming this as the formation of that wave 1, then a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, managing to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And you can see that we have continued to hold within this yellow target area, and there are chances that we can see a reaction of that target area and start gearing up in the formation of this wave 3. And for that move to play out, we first need to see Vechain see a reaction of the target area and see a break above this descending trend line that I have here on the charts using this white line, maybe see a 4-hour close or maybe a successful retest of that key, that is that trend line, before we can continue gearing up and see a break above the $0.02 mark, which is resistance, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. That is the first possible scenario that you need to have in mind here on the Vechain chart. Alternatively, in case we continue seeing further weakness on the charts, lose our yellow target area, and maybe see a close of a number of 4-hour candlesticks below this yellow target area, maybe continue seeing further breakdown, losing our key area of support at around the $0.01798 mark back into this red target area, then that would be suggesting an alternative scenario where we can say that we are still seeing a corrective structure here on the charts in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2, and we don't have a low in place for the second wave, and whatever we have on the charts is just an ABC corrective structure, terming this as the wave A, then a wave B, and we can expect one more new low in the formation of that wave C, fully maximizing our red target area, giving us the low for the second wave. And then from that point we can expect a reaction of this target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. So those are the two possible scenarios that I have in mind here on the Vechain chart. And before taking any trades, we need to get confirmations. For the long trade, we need to see a break above this descending trend line, see a 4-hour close or maybe a successful retest, and maybe also a break above resistance at around the $0.02 mark before we can open a long trade. Alternatively, in case we lose support at around the $0.01798 mark, then that would be a perfect entry to the lower side in a short trade to get one more new low in the formation of that wave 2. And that is what I have in mind here on the Vechain chart. Also taking a look at the indicators, On the RSI, we are trading at around the 39 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.